Hello and welcome back to the Educated Crypto Trader. Let's jump straight into the charts. As you know, in my previous videos I've been advocating that Bitcoin is turning bearish to head down towards the $45,000 mark. What I have here is a clean chart of BTC, Bitcoin USD. What I'd like to show you is why I feel it is turning bearish. As you can see from this chart here, we have point A to point B, which gives us a bullish signal. We then have the pullback, and then indeed we move on to the next bullish rise. So we're all got that, okay? Now until this here comes past this point at the bottom here, Bitcoin will remain bullish overall. However, what it's done is it's created structure just here. And more to the point, what it's done is it has come underneath this structure point here. But it has not only put a wick down, it has actually closed beyond this structure. Now for many years I've witnessed this particular pattern happen, and what tends to happen is this then goes on a bullish run and comes back to this candle here. I'll just put a ellipse around it. Comes back to this candle just here. I can grab hold of it. This one. So you can see now what it's done. It's come back all the way back into this candle. And what I'll do is I'll highlight that with a horizontal ray right at the bottom of that candle. And you can see that it is now wicked up and touched here. Now this is a 2-day chart. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop down to the 1-day chart. As you can see, as stated, we are bullish. And Bitcoin will remain bullish until it comes under this point here. However, in the short term, because it has created this structure here and closed below this wick, that tells me we're starting a bearish rotation, which also gives me a signal that that's going to drop down to my $45,000 target. Now if we go deeper into the chart, so we'll go down to say a 12-hour chart, this is when it all starts to make sense. Just bear with me 1 minute, I'll get the right tool. So we're going to start up here, which is where Bitcoin had its all-time high at 58,400, give or take. So if we go from A to B to C, that gives me a 3-point move. That's a 3-point correction, A, B, C. Coming back in and doing the same from the lowest point, I have A, B, C. Now I'll just change that colour for you so you can see that that is different. Let's change that to red. And coming back to the Elliott wave that I've been talking about in my last videos, an Elliott wave expanded flat generally gives a 3, 3, and then a 5-leg down. So let's just get rid of these lines here. And then I can visually show you what I've been talking about. Okay, so we're having a 5 wave down. 1, 2, I believe we're in the process of 3, which should come to approximately 1.618 of the first leg here, which it would then retrace, which it has gone to quite a deep retrace at this particular point, which is leg 4, and then the fifth leg generally in an expanded flat passes well beyond the start of A. So what we have, sorry, let's get a different tool and make it easy. What we have in essence is an A, B, C retracement. So where's it going to come, I hear you ask. Let's just change this colour so it can stand out and you can see it a little more clearly. I'll put it in black. So we've got an A, B, C retracement. How far is it going to come down? Well, if it sticks to Elliott wave theory, it should come down into this area here. And remember, we are still bullish until we pass this bottom wick point here. Now these can be skewed, the expanded flat, and can stop at around level A on our first start of our pullback. However, as explained, these generally passed well beyond A. So let's just go back up to a daily, and you'll notice we've got a double bottom in here, but our last candle, down candle here, will be our last point of failure. Let's put that in green. So I am expecting this to pull back to here at its most lowest point, or if it is skewed because the underlying trend is so strong, it will pull back into this point here, which is what I think is most likely. So we're looking at around the $40,000 mark. So it does move beyond the $45,000 that I've been stating for the last week. I hope this is some good information and great content for you. Please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, tell me what your thoughts are. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.